some of them we don't know the coaches. There's a name Obati, there's another coach from Belgium, Hen van der Broek. Hen van der Broek, why assistant coach ka Hugo Broos, 2017 Maba winner AFCON with Hugo Broos Cameroon. Van der Broek, what we know is that right now he won a league with Isimba Tanzania, so experience yakhe football yakhe yase Africa it's unayo wa coach Morocco and all of that. It's a coach that is not known, but he worked under Hugo Broos, that particular coach. I'm not sure if Ugewezwa ngaye so far, coach Hen van der Broek.
Bengakezwanga ngaye coach, bengakezwanga ngaye, but when you mention igama la Hugo Broos, I think angazi ngithini, but maybe ugood ukuthi ku building angabuilda iKaizer Chiefs, so lapho kuzomela ukuthi banga expect ukuwina ama cup nani nje